Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
My channel, it's your girl Caitlyn Monae, back with another, I guess you can say, nursing video in a sense. I hope you guys enjoyed my birthday vlog in Jamaica. It was so much fun. I feel like I got like a small little tan, looking, you know, very sun-kissed, right? But a lot of you know already that I started an herbal class on January 3rd. I actually need to catch up on a lot of assignments. I had a passing in my family recently, and literally right after that passing, I was on my way out to Jamaica. So didn't get a chance to like sit down, go through my notes, and create the different supplements and stuff that we were making. So I have to actually catch up with that so I can get my certificate at the end. So that's something I'll probably be working on this weekend for sure. But I have another announcement. I kind of been holding this back from y'all, but your girl is moving. Your girl is moving from her hometown to a new spot, a new area, a new state to start a nursing job. Like, I was offered an opportunity and I hopped on it, and I'm excited, y'all. I will definitely take you guys along with me. Drop down in the comments below if you have an idea of where that may be, where I'm going to be moving, where I'm going to be living. Like, I'm starting a new life, a new journey, and I'm excited. I'm a little nervous, but I'm more so excited to kind of get the ball rolling. Like, I'm young, I don't have any kids, so it's kind of like, why not, you know? And as you can see, it's like I'm over the snow. So that's a hint. I'm over the snow. I'm over the cold. So I feel like most of y'all might probably know where I'm going to be moving to. So today is January 28th. This job starts February 8th. So I have a good 2 weeks to pack up my whole apartment. I still have to find an apartment in the place that I'm moving to. So it's just kind of like a lot going on. But I'm going to take you guys along the journey, and yeah, this is a new beginning. 2022 is lit. I feel like it's already been so much going on, and it's only January 28th. Like, I started an herbal class, I landed a job in a new state, and I just came back from Jamaica. Like, I'm excited for 2022. Okay, it's lit. So stay tuned. What's up, y'all? I need a stretch. 1 second. The machines are going. All right. So, hey, y'all. It's your girl, Caitlyn Monae. You know I gotta have my water. I have to have my water. I'm back with continuing on the video from yesterday, or maybe the day before. Today is January 30th. I'm actually in the process of trying to decide whether or not my last day of being a RN COVID tester should be the 31st, which is tomorrow, Monday, or if I should be done February 1st. I am going to put in my resignation with the company effective immediately. I don't know if that's going to be tomorrow or the 1st because I start my new job February 8th, which is what I kind of discussed in my previous snippet. So, yeah, I have not found an apartment yet in my new state, my new hometown. Not quite, but I feel like I'm probably gonna have something by the end of this week. Like, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I'm just gonna give all my worries and stress onto God, because that's all I can do. I can't stress myself out if I don't find something. Yeah, I just have to just believe that everything will unfold the way that it should. And if I don't find something this week, then I'm just gonna plan to stay in a Airbnb and just kind of call it a day until something does come up. So the plan is to move everything damn near by, I'm not gonna even say this upcoming weekend, because that's not gonna happen. That's kind of unrealistic. So if anything, I plan to have everything moved by mid-February. That's if I do find something, obviously, this week as far as an apartment. So all my stuff can get moved, because I know that takes like a couple days. I am getting my car shipped down there too. So I feel like it's gonna be a lot going on. I feel like a lot of people are asking me, or like, how are you not stressed? How are you not freaking out? Like, do you have a place and this and that and woody woo? And it's kind of like the old me would be freaking out and stressing on things that I can't control, right? So I'm kind of taking this moment, this experience right now, and just kind of taking it with a grain of salt and literally taking it day by day. Like I said, the plan is that I'm gonna figure out if my last day here is gonna be the 31st and the 1st, so I can start getting things in order. Someone is coming out to my apartment February 4th to see, to kind of just look at my stuff and to give me a quote in regards to packing everything up and moving it. And yeah, that's really the next thing that's coming up. I do have to fly out to do like a mask fit test and like a vision screening test. That has to be done before February 8th, before I actually start the job. So my plan is to fly out either February 2nd or February 3rd to do that. And while I am out there, I will probably look at a few apartments. That's going to be the plan. And yeah, and I just kind of will go from there. Like, I feel like I can't really do much else but go with the flow. And I said before, if I don't find something this week as far as, you know, solidifying an apartment, then my plan is just going to stay in an Airbnb until something comes up and, you know, I can get everything moved and all of that. So that's where I am right now. It still doesn't feel real that I am about to be moving across the country. Literally across the country. 1,000 miles away. And yeah, this is literally a new beginning. It's only January 2022, so I can only imagine how this year is about to go. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous, but I'm more so excited and happy that this is a new beginning, y'all. This is a new journey. I did not think this would happen this soon, but we here now. Ain't no turning back. It is what it is. So I'll keep y'all updated on what's to come literally this upcoming week. And yeah, y'all can see the unorganized chaos that's about to happen, because I know it's going to be a lot going on. So stay tuned. It's lit. Yeah, buddy. My lips, hello, child.
Okay, we so proud of you. Go live your best life. I kind of look good in this filter. What filter is this?
We're talking about Caitlyn.
Oh, Caitlyn. Caitlyn, I'm so proud of you. Go live your best life. Do it big in Dallas. Show all them nurses up. This is a really good filter. Like,
Girl has made it to Dallas, Texas. I clearly look a little bit rough. It's fine. I really don't care. It's been a long day of traveling, but I am here. I'm in my Airbnb currently. I don't move into my apartment until Tuesday, February 8th. Today is February 6th. So tomorrow I have to go to the hospital and do a mask fit test and a vision screening test, and that has to be done before I start on Tuesday. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. My Airbnb is only 10 minutes from my apartment, or no, 10 minutes away from the hospital. And then my actual apartment is only 4 minutes away from where I'm going to be working in urgent care. So I'm just going to show y'all what the Airbnb looks like and where I'll be staying up until I get my keys, and probably up until all my belongings, furniture, all my stuff gets here from Milwaukee. So I'm going to show y'all really quick. Door here. And to your left right away is the bathroom. And then that's the shower there and the toilet. And then come right out, you got your refrigerator, freezer, little kitchen area here. And of course I got all my stuff. Then I have the bed here. And then the couch, little seating area with the TV. Little desk area, and it also has a washer and dryer. And then we have a balcony here. Kind of see, it's really nice. It's very chill. So yeah, that's where we at right now. So y'all, I'm about to eat, shower, and relax for tonight. It's been a long day of traveling, and I will keep y'all updated tomorrow.